idea what I'm gonna play next. It's kind of bullshit. Alright, I got like 3 more. Alright, this is my newest song. And it's called Switchblades and Tandem Bicycles. And the calmness in my rage had rendered me emotionless, knowing that you found it quite pointless to understand a certain side of things no one understand my obscenities. Just let it be. Just let it be. Just let it be. And Thomas, a dead man, now he described to me to find skepticism in all opportunity. There's a blind light in a dark room, and now I can't read, I can't read, I can't read you. Reminded of the screams while I fled from peace, and the diversions in the scene all explain explicitly. You're a leader, a herder, a shepherd to me, to the barn, butcher and clean. All about it, all about it. And I'll sit and smoke cigarettes until you get home, knowing that you're not alone. Baby, now I'm left with you alone.